Well, Eureka has a tremendous architectural heritage, but the peak of the great pyramid of our heritage is the Carson Mansion, which is hands down the most photographed Victorian in the entire United States. It was constructed for William Carson, lumber pioneer, who occupied the house from its completion in 1886 until his passing in 1912. He hired the finest residential architects in all of California, the Newsom and Newsom of San Francisco, and he wanted them to design a house that was particularly elaborate to show the many applications of redwood to the building tastes of the 1880s. So you can see it turned on wood lathes, run through molding machines, cut into shingle, steam bent, hand carved, it's all there. And he would use the house as a way of showing the applications of the redwood from his mill to the building construction in various parts of California and elsewhere. So another thing that's very significant about this house is this was not the Knob Hill of Eureka. There were only two mansions here, William Carson's and the eldest son's across the street. The rest of the space all around both these mansions was in a major industrial district, all of which was part of the Dolbear Carson Lumber Company, one of the leading redwood lumber producers in 19th and 20th century California and Humboldt County. So the behind the mansion was the cookhouse for the workers. On the bay side of the mansion, over to the left, that was the dockyards, the mill yards, and the location of the big bay mill, all of which is gone. You would never realize how heavily industrialized this area once was, even into 1950, when the Dolbear Carson Lumber Company ceased to exist. It is now the home of the Ingomar Club, an exclusive men and women's business club, and it's been that way since 1950 and has almost 400 members, and it has two missions: to provide meeting and dining space for its exclusive membership, and also to preserve the mansion. And there's a great deal of interest in seeing the mansion, and you can see people during the summertime snapping pictures one after another here. So this is the best known of the great architectural monuments of Eureka, but there are many, many more. There are over 10,000 other structures in the city of 19th and 20th century architecture that are really part of our architectural treasure trove here in Humboldt County.